video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen property location, nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 12. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. We talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen details will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is good in case like to enjoy the surrounding. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. 10 reviews and offers are available online for this property, along with various lead plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking properties, you can tell us by commenting. We can help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching.